Well, whooping cough continues to hit Montana, and it's not exclusive to the Missoula area. 41 cases have already been reported in Gallatin County this year, 15 within just the last week. Across the state, more than 260 people are suffering from pertussis, almost double since this date last year. Clusters have been reported in various schools around Gallatin County, including Mount Ellis Academy and Montana State University.
The way that we protect the people who are at greatest risk is by making sure that we're taking a careful approach and identifying those who do have the disease, making sure they're treated so they're less likely to transmit the disease, and really kind of creating a cocoon around those people who are vulnerable.
Kelly says the number reported may be climbing due to the fact that awareness is rising.